The Mercedes AMG X Adidas Megaride CT represents a bold partnership that merges luxury automotive excellence with Adidas performance-driven streetwear. Styled in chrome silver, core black, and red, the sneaker showcases a chrome wrap, gray suede toe, and black mesh base with energetic soles, while red details nod to AMG's interiors. Branding elements like the Mercedes AMG logo, Consortium label, and the phrase "the respect is mutual" emphasize collaboration and exclusivity. Toto Wolff, CEO of Mercedes AMG PETRONAS F1, highlighted how the design reflects both brands' shared commitment to peak performance and style. Crafted under Adidas Consortium, the Megaride CT captures speed, sophistication, and innovation, reinforcing the unity of motorsport heritage and fashion culture. Launching in fall 2025 at $120 in men's sizing through Adidas and select retailers.